Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. Today we will explore Access Control Studio for Odoo. Imagine one place where you decide what each user can see and do in Odoo, which menus they open, which buttons they click, which fields they edit, which records they access, and even whether they can post and chatter, all without writing XML or technical record rules. In the next few minutes, we will open a real Access profile and walk through it tab by tab, exactly as you see it on screen. After you install the module, go to Access Control, then Access Profiles. Assign ACS User for everyday work, ACS Manager for full setup including test as user and import-export, and ACS Admin for users who must bypass every restriction. You can view profiles in List, Kanban, Form, Calendar, or Activity. Install with demo data to load 13 sample profiles ready for training. Let's open a profile. At the top, give it a clear name, for example, Sales Team Restrictions or Read-Only Auditor. In Apply to, pick the users or security groups who should receive these rules. Add companies if you run multi-company. Tick Default Internal User or Default Portal User if this profile should attach automatically when new accounts are created. Managers also get Test as user to preview the system as someone else, plus export and import to move rules between databases. On the right, global user flags shape the whole experience. Read-only user blocks create, edit, and delete everywhere. Hide chatter removes the chatter panel on all models. Disable developer mode stops debug tools. Disable login blocks sign in completely. Block module operation stops install, upgrade, and uninstall. Block XML RPC and JSON RPC stops external scripts from calling object methods. Hide Apps menu removes the main apps launcher. A simple intern profile might use read-only plus disable developer mode. A former employee might only need disable login. Below that, global system toggles apply across every model. You can hide, create, edit, delete, duplicate, archive, import, export, and spreadsheet in one step. You can also hide add property and hide send message, log notes, or schedule activity in chatter globally. These are your broad switches. Use the tabs below when you need precision per menu or per model. Now, the notebook tabs. First tab, Menu Access. Add a line, pick any menu or submenu, and check Hide. That menu disappears from navigation for everyone on this profile. It is enforced on the server, so bookmarks cannot bring it back. Combine with Hide Apps menu if you want a minimal launcher. Example, hide accounting and inventory for a sales rep who should only see CRM. Second tab, Model Access. Pick a model, sale order, partner, invoice, anything in Odoo. Then tick what to block. Hide Create removes the new button. Hide Edit opens records read only. Hide Delete, Hide Duplicate, and Hide Archive remove those actions. Hide Import, Hide Export, and Hide Spreadsheet block data movement, including Enterprise Spreadsheet Insert and Refresh. Hidden View Types lets you drop list, Kanban, pivot, graph, or calendar views. Hidden Actions and Hidden Reports remove specific window actions and print reports. The server enforces the same rules, so users cannot bypass the UI through RPC or export. Third tab, Field Access. Choose Model and Field. Invisible hides it completely. Read-only shows it but blocks edits. Required forces validation. Remove external link hides the arrow on relational fields. Remove create and edit stop quick create in dropdowns. Relation domain filters which records appear in a dropdown. For advanced cases, add a condition domain and set conditional invisible, read-only, or required. For example, hide margin fields for sales staff, but show them for managers on another profile. Fourth tab, Domain Access. This is record-level security. Pick a model. Make the whole model read-only, or restrict create, write, or delete to records matching your domain. Use a custom domain, a date preset like today or this month, or use env user to inject the logged-in user automatically. Soft restrict limits the main list without breaking related data. Hierarchy fields handle parent and child trees. Each line syncs to Odoo record rules. Click Sync Record Rules and dedicated IR rule records stay updated. Example, a salesperson sees only their own sale orders. A warehouse user sees pickings for their location only. Fifth tab. Buttons and tabs. Hide object buttons, smart buttons, notebook pages, or Kanban links. Pick the model, set the button type, and enter the button key or tab name. Use Discover buttons and tabs to scan live views and find targets quickly. The UI hides the control and the server blocks the RPC call. Example: hide confirm on sale orders for junior staff, or hide the accounting tab on partners for non-finance users. Sixth tab. Search panel. Per model or globally, hide filters grouped by favorites, custom filter, custom group by the search panel sidebar, or favorite delete. Example: on accounting moves, lock down custom filters so users only work with filters you approve. Seventh tab. Chatter. Per model, hide the full chatter or only parts of it, send message, log note, schedule activity, followers, or attachments. Global flags above apply everywhere. This tab lets you be selective. Example: on payslips, hide send message, but keep internal log notes for HR. Back on the profile list, Kanban groups profiles by assignment scope with color badges for read-only, default internal, RPC block, and more. Test as user lets managers experience Odoo exactly as a restricted colleague, then exit with one click. Export saves full JSON rules or a CSV summary. Import brings profiles from another database with SMLID mapping. Demo data seeds realistic examples, restricted users read-only templates, menu hiding, domain rules, chatter limits, search restrictions, and button hiding, so you can demo on full screens, not empty forms. To recap: 1. Access profile, clear assignment to users or groups, global flags for system-wide behavior, then 7 tabs: menu, model, field, domain, buttons and tabs, search panel, and chatter. Everything enforces on the server and in the web client together. Access Control Studio is no-code Odoo security that fits how implementers actually work. One screen, one profile, tab by tab. Thank you for watching. For more information or a live demo, visit www.WebbyCrown.com or email sales@WebbyCrown.com.